All right, class, this is a continuation of our Google Cloud Platform kind of series. In a previous lecture, we talked about how to establish a virtual machine. So just a quick recap over here. We're going to click the left-hand ladder. We're going to go down to Compute Engine. And this is going to bring up, kind of our dashboard, if you will. We're going to go to VM Instances. And here should be where you've already created your instance. I have two of them. You can see the status right now. The instances are turned off. What we're going to do is turn them on. And the way that you can do that is by coming over here to the three little dots, hitting start. And we're going to start it up. It usually takes a minute. It's not instantaneous. When you do create your VM instance, I think it's on automatically. So you should see a green check mark under the status. We'll be looking over here for that check mark. You can tell that it's starting by the little blue circle going around the bell. All right, we got the green check mark. That's good. Again, the instance name, it could be whatever you've called it. Remember the zone. This is in the US Central 1. If you ever get the error that resources are not available, just switch your zone. Here you have the internal IP address and then your external IP address. Now to connect to the SSH, to log in, we're just going to click the SSH. We're going to do the secure connection. And so we're going to let that go for 1 second. All right, so now we're in, all right? Now remember, in a Linux environment, you're going to have to use the sudo command for the most part, all right? We have to elevate our privileges. So to install NGINX, we're going to do sudo apt install NGINX. Let me see if I spelled that correctly. And this should actually install NGINX. So we have NGINX already installed. That's good. It says that NGINX is ready with the newest version. Also good. So now what we're going to do is we are going to start it. So the way that we're going to start is we are going to use the sudo command again. And we are going to start NGINX. And right there we have NGINX started. I didn't get any errors, so that's always good. So I'm going to push this off to the side for an example, for a minute. And now what we're going to do is we're going to connect to the server. Now, right here, it's saying that the server can't be reached. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to problem solve this real quick. And we can see over here that it is trying to connect to a secure HTTPS. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove that, and voila. All right. Now, part of the homework assignment is going to go on editing so that you can put your name to the welcome to NGINX in your name. But right here, we have NGINX up and running. Everything seems to be working. That's good. And that's going to conclude this short little series on installing NGINX.